this is absolutely crazy. And this nice couple over here came over to me. It's Friday and I want to have some fun. I'm gonna go to Chinatown in Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm gonna take you along with me. I don't know if I'm gonna be drinking, partying. I don't know. I'm just going with the flow, and we already got a Leo in the system. So you never know what can happen. Let's see how Chinatown is in Bangkok, Thailand. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we just ordered ourselves a boat ride. I don't know if you can see that, but this is gonna be the first time I ever got on the back of a motor scooter to go to a location. And this ride right here is costing me $3. $3 to drive on a scooter for 25 minutes, bro. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna try to record, but I'm a little scared. What the cap? Yeah. Go, guys. Bruh. Bruh. Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. I've never did this a day in my life. Holy. Let's go to the Chinatown market. Let's go. This has to be the craziest and funnest thing I've did so far. Bro. Bro. Homie's going like 60 miles an hour. There's no speed limit out here. This is fun as hell. It's a free fall on this highway. Yo, this shit is crazy. This was worth it right here. This was worth it. I just got a big smile on my face. That's all you can see it in the camera. If you guys come to Thailand, you need to get on these damn motorbikes. My ass hurts, I'm not gonna lie. But look at this. Shout out to the gang over here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody out here is so friendly. We made it to Chinatown. Look at this. It is packed over here. This is where the party's at. This is where the party's at. Hello, what's up, what's up, what's up? Say hi to YouTube, YouTube. Let's go. YouTube. Everybody out here loves the camera. Look at this, guys. All this food. Yeah, I'm definitely eating. Oh, we definitely eating some good food today. Let's get it, let's get it. Whoever recommended this spot, it's the best so far. It is packed over here. Holy. I just got dropped off. And I'm telling you right now, that had to, hands down, bro. Wait, look, I gotta post this on Instagram. You guys don't understand. I'm literally trying to multitask Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all at once. Let me post this. All right, we just posted that. There is no speed cameras. There is literally no speed limit. This guy was on the scooter going like 70 miles an hour. I don't have a helmet. All I was doing was holding on the back of his scooter and hoping for dear life, bro. Let's see what we gonna get into, to be honest. I'ma just start walking around and let's see what's out here, yo, because this right here is absolutely crazy. If you guys come to Thailand, make sure y'all go take a motor scooter because it is lit. Let's see what they got over here. Look at this. Oh. Okay. 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 This is where it's at if you want to get some food. But to be honest, I'm trying to party. Where are the drinks at? Look at this. Well, let them chef it up. If you're not hungry, when you come here, you're gonna be hungry because the smells are amazing out here. You could definitely tell the prices are a little bit higher over here because normally these things are like 20 baht. Over here is 50, but 50 baht is literally like less than $1, bro. Like or probably like $1. It's 100% worth it and it's cheap. I don't know. I might eat some crickets, some scorpions. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I just landed, so I gotta make sure my stomach don't get messed up. And I only been here 2 days, guys, and I'm telling you right now, the Thai people out here are so nice. Everybody out here is very polite. They're always telling you hi or whatever. Like, it's really, really nice out here. Really, really nice. Look at that. It's right here. Bro, when I'm telling you, look how many people's here, bro. Look how. And for the people that don't know, Sawadee Krap is like, hi, how you doing? I'm trying to learn more Thai. If you guys know any Thai, let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know in the comments. Hey, what's up, what's up? Look, I'm telling you, everybody's so damn friendly out here. Usually, people don't want to be in the camera. Thai people love the camera. They love the camera. Every time I pull out the camera, as you can see, hi, they all want to be on YouTube. Everybody want to be on YouTube out here. Look at this. And look, everybody out here, I ain't gonna lie, it's so crazy to say this, man, but this is far from New York. I can't even walk a step without getting stared at. Obviously, I got a camera in my face, but this right here is literally the best decision I ever made. And now coming over here just made it even better for me because where I'm at, there are markets, but not like this. Like literally, guys, everything you want is right here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking for some liquor. I want to get a drink in my system, get a little margarita, son. And look, make sure too, keep your bag up front. People over here are nice, but I'm from New York. I like keeping cautious and I don't like getting caught slipping. So I was sitting right here, sweating my ass off, and this nice couple over here came over to me. She does Instagram. What's your Instagram?
So it's RX Trainer, TRAINA.
Make sure y'all follow. You got social media?
I got social media.
Come on, shout it out, shout it out.
George Wright __.
Come on, show them some love. I always show people love, and we can all grow together. Go follow them and go follow the page, guys. What did I tell you guys? It is amazing, the people out here. Everybody's so damn friendly, and I love it. I love it. And I'm not gonna lie, I recorded a whole shit ton of content right now, and my damn camera froze. I don't know what the hell happened, but yeah, we're gonna give y'all a run through. Yo, that couple was so nice, and I'm gonna show them, if they follow me on YouTube, I always shout you guys out. If you guys are in Bangkok, Thailand, and you guys see me, walk up to me, I'll give you a free shout out. I love you guys. I love all the supporters, and I love all the people that are cool. I got you guys. We show support over here. And one thing I can say about the Thai people out here, everybody out here are hard workers. These people stay out here literally 16-hour days. These people stay out here from the morning all the way to the nighttime. These people are far from New Yorkers because people out there in New York are lazy as hell. These people know how to work out here. Nobody out here is lazy, I can tell you that. Yo, look at that, guys. Yo, look at my guy right here. Bro, this is absolutely crazy. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Professional right here. That's what you call professional right here. Look at that, professional over here. Look at this. Bro, guys, Chinatown is crazy. Yo, it is crazy out here, guys. You would not believe what you can get out here. You would not believe. But I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it's hot as hell out here. It is so damn hot out here. I'm walking right now, guys, and I'm telling you right now, look, YouTube, we are vlogging and we're on live on TikTok. Look, we're literally multitasking right now. Who you know do this? Who you know can do this? Look at this. Right now, we're coming towards the end area over here, but yo, this is what you call Chinatown in Bangkok, Thailand. Of course, right when I crossed the street, I don't know what the hell happened with my GoPro, but of course the battery died. We just made it back. I charged up my GoPro. Honestly, Chinatown is only good for people that want to go for food, but if you're trying to get drinks, if you're trying to party, don't go to Chinatown. But the food is amazing, so make sure you guys subscribe for more videos. If you guys want to see me travel to any spot in Thailand, please comment down below. I'm trying to get all the good spots right now, so stay tuned to the next video.